Shri khwairakpam Raghumani Singh, Hon'bl MLA.
Honorable Speaker of Manipur, Legislative Assembly, who is the chief guest of today's function, and my dear colleague MLAs from different parts of the state, co-host, chief host and host of this function, basically the organizing committee of this Shirui festival, and government officials who are involved in organizing this program, and my dear brothers and sisters, and also friends from media. It's an honor for me to be here today, and full of joy for me here in this 5th Shirui festival in the heart of this Shirui village. We all know that Shirui lily is a very rare, and it grows only in the Shirui hill. Now the issue is that the flower is not only for, it doesn't mean only the blooming aspect of the flower is just, and it's a living symbol of Manipur's natural beauty and its ecological richness. In the year 2017 only, for the first time, state government was state level ki festival on declared of the it was more than an administrative decision. Heritage, basically for the thankful brothers and sisters. My dear friends, while we celebrate this festival, let's also reflect something a little deeper in terms of historical and emotional bond between the Meitei and the thankful communities. At times, sometimes, we hear of differences between the hills and the valley on traditions, languages, and faiths. But if we really open our hearts and if we look beyond the different layers of discrimination, we find a story of togetherness between the two communities. Khudam when I haja wakanda koi panbayarisi koi langban thada le koi meitei gi thongna Maharaj na koi coronation to wakanda thankful niching nau singi koi warriors ngasina ba thankful gi head dress my attire si. It was a very compulsory item to be worn by the Meitei Maharaj at the time of his coronation. Adu yaw the festival by coronation function in complete way. That means there has been always a bond of love and brotherhood between the two communities since time immemorial. Secondly, I would be happy to quote that Akogi Meitei gi luhongba kanda thankful ki lerun ki yaudam ti yaud. It's a compulsory for the Meitei marriage ceremonies. After the period of music, it speaks. It's basically the presence of this particular lerunzi speaks louder than the words. It tells us our history of togetherness. Therefore, the Shirui festival is not just about flowers or festivities. It's about our identity, healing, and the hope between the two communities. It reminds us of who we are. The simple answer is that we are the children of the same parent of this beautiful land Manipur, which is united though diversified in many ways. Another aspect we can look about, we can draw a relevance to the Shirui festival is that it really gives scope for development of tourism in this particular district, ukhrul. Once we know the tourism is developed, the growth of the particular area, development in the particular area is already automated. Supposing like, the infrastructure in terms of road connectivity here is also to be improved automatically. So now the point here is that we should be trying to wait. I don't mean that the scale which has happened today is very small, but we should be hoping for the larger scale in the years to come. Let's hope that the state government comes in. State government, I would say the popular government should be coming very shortly. We hope so. If that's the condition, I think the state government should be responsible for the complete